Grounding is the most misunderstood wire in your house, and it's likely responsible for half the noise problems in your system. I'm Norman Varney with AV Room Service. I've designed hundreds of acoustical and electrical systems for critical listening and viewing environments around the world. And this is Grounding Explained. Quick, basic breakdowns of how grounding really works. Today, intentional earth grounding. This is the first in the series for those interested in how optimized electrical configurations can improve audio. Today we'll look at intentional grounding to earth to furnish electrons a controlled path based on the National Electrical Code. Why? If current levels exceed the limit for which circuit and its devices are rated, the excess electricity will travel through the path of least resistance. If that circuit isn't grounded, this path may be the devices themselves, essentially frying the device's internal circuitry and increasing the risk of equipment damage and or shock or electrocution for anyone who touches those devices. Grounding is a safeguard that protects against such catastrophes. When the circuit is grounded, excess electricity travels safely through an alternate route, which we call intentional grounding. Two purposes for grounding. One, protect people and equipment, and two, improve performance of electronics. And there are three means for an effective grounding path. One, electrical continuity, two, ampacity, and three, low impedance of the equipment grounding conductor, which we'll cover later in the series. That's intentional grounding. If you'd rather skip the guesswork and have us design or diagnose your system directly, book a call with me at avroomservice.com. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and if you would like to see more, click here or here. And don't forget to go to avroomservice.com to see how we can help you make the most of your listening experience.